Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about making a doctor's appointment over the phone. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the clinic staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What day is the doctor's appointment? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Erin, I still feel bad. This cough won't go away.
How many days now?
Maybe 5 or 6 days. It started last week.
That's a long time. You should see a doctor.
A doctor? I thought I could just go to the drugstore.
For medicine, yes, but a cough for 6 days is different. A doctor should check it.
How do I know when it's time to see a doctor?
Good question. If you feel bad for many days or you have a high fever, it's time. Don't wait too long.
Okay. Can we just walk in with no appointment?
No, not for a regular doctor. You have to call and make an appointment first.
An appointment? Just to see a doctor?
Yes, you call the clinic and they give you a day and a time.
That sounds slow. Can I see the doctor today?
Maybe, maybe not. Doctors are often busy. Sometimes they are full for a week.
A whole week? Wow.
That's why people call early. You pick a day that works for you.
Okay. Do you have the clinic's number?
Yes, here. It's a small clinic close to us. They're kind and they speak slowly.
That's good. What do I say when I call?
Just say you are sick and you want to make an appointment. They will help you.
What if they ask hard questions?
Don't worry. They ask easy things, like your name and your problem. You can do it.
What about my insurance? Do I need it now?
Not on the phone. Just bring your insurance card on the day of your visit.
Okay, I'll try. Wish me luck.
You can do this. Just speak slowly and write down the day and time.
Thank you for calling Bright Care Clinic. This is Dana. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a bad cough and it won't go away. I'd like to make an appointment.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, so you're a new patient. New patients need a little more time, so I'll find a longer opening for you.
An opening?
Yes, an open time on the doctor's schedule. Let me check. Are you free next week?
Yes, next week is good.
Do you like mornings or afternoons?
Afternoons are better for me. I have class in the morning.
Got it. How about Tuesday, the 14th, in the afternoon?
Tuesday the 14th. What time?
At 1 o'clock, 1 in the afternoon.
1 o'clock is a little early. I have class until 1:30.
No problem. Let me look again. We also have Thursday, the 16th, at 3 o'clock.
Thursday at 3. That works for me.
Great. Or, if you want, the week after is more open.
No, Thursday is better. I don't want to wait too long.
Of course. Let me book that for you. Can I have your full name, please?
Sure. It's Ken Mori. M-O-R-I.
Thank you. And can I get your date of birth to confirm?
Yes, May 10th, 1999.
Perfect. And a phone number in case we need to call you?
Sure. It's 555-1234.
Thank you. So that's Thursday, the 16th, at 3 o'clock with Dr. Reed.
Yes. Should I bring anything?
Please bring your ID and your insurance card and come about 15 minutes early to fill out some forms.
15 minutes early. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If your cough gets much worse before Thursday, call us again, okay?
I will. Thank you. See you Thursday.
See you then. Feel better.
Hi there. Welcome to Bright Care Clinic. How can I help you?
Why? I have an appointment on Thursday at 3 with Dr. Reed. My name is Ken Mori.
Let me check. Yes, I see it. Ken Mori, 3 o'clock. You're right on time.
Oh, good. Am I late? Someone told me to come early.
For a first visit, we ask people to come about 15 minutes early. But don't worry, you're fine today.
Okay, good. What do I need to do?
First, can I see your ID and your insurance card?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me make a quick copy. One moment.
No problem.
Okay, here are your cards back. Now, please fill out this short form.
What does it ask?
Easy things. Your name, your address, and your symptoms. It also asks if you take any medicine and which pharmacy you use.
Do I write everything in English?
Yes, but simple words are fine. If you have a question, just ask me.
Okay, that helps. Oh, one more question. How much will it cost?
Your copay today is $20. That's your part. Your insurance covers the rest.
Only $20? That's not bad.
Right. You can pay now or after you see the doctor.
I'll pay after. Should I keep this form?
No, just give it back to me when you finish. Take your time.
Okay. And where do I wait?
Please have a seat in the waiting room, just over there. The nurse will call your name soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take a seat and relax.
Thanks for coming with me, Erin. I was a little nervous.
Of course, the first visit is always a little scary.
It's so quiet here and clean.
Yes. Look, they have water and magazines. You can relax while you wait.
How long do I wait?
Not long, I think. They run on time here because everyone has an appointment.
That's nice. In my country, sometimes I wait 2 hours.
Here, they usually see you close to your appointment time. That's the good thing about booking.
Do I always need an appointment to see her?
Yes, for a normal visit. Just call ahead and pick a time.
So what happens inside?
First, a nurse checks your weight and your blood pressure. Then the doctor comes and talks to you.
Okay, that doesn't sound so bad.
It's easy. And here's a tip. If you like Dr. Reed today, she can be your primary care doctor.
Primary care doctor? What's that?
It's your regular doctor, the one you always see. She keeps all your records in one place.
Oh, so I don't explain everything again next time?
Right. She already knows your history. It saves a lot of time.
That's smart. I think I want that.
Then tell the doctor today. It's easy to set up.
Should I tell the nurse or the doctor?
Tell the doctor. Just say you want her as your regular doctor.
Got it. Can you come in with me?
I'll wait here this time. You can do it alone. Just be honest with the doctor.
Okay. Oh, I think I heard my name.
Yes, they called you. Go ahead. I'll wait here.
Okay. Wish me luck again.
You'll be fine. Go.
Hi, Ken. I'm Dr. Reed. Nice to meet you. How are you feeling?
Hi, Dr. Reed. Not great. I have a bad cough.
I see. When did it start?
About 6 days ago. It started small, but now it's worse.
Do you have a fever?
A little, I think, and my chest feels heavy.
Do you have any chest pain? Is it hard to breathe?
No pain. I can breathe okay.
Good. Are you sleeping okay?
Not really. The cough wakes me up at night.
I understand. Let me listen to your chest. Take a deep breath for me.
Okay. That tickles a little.
One more deep breath. Good. Now open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Okay. Your throat is a little red and your chest is a bit noisy. It looks like a cold that moved to your chest.
Is it serious?
It doesn't sound too serious, but we should treat that cough. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you. Where do I get the medicine?
I'll send the prescription to your pharmacy. It will be ready when you get there.
Oh, that's easy. So I don't take a paper with me?
No paper. We send it online now. Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 at night with food, and drink lots of water.
Got it. Should I stop exercising?
Yes, rest your body and stay home for a few days until the cough is better.
Okay. Can I get a note from my school? I missed some classes.
Of course, I'll write you a doctor's note. Give it to your school.
Thank you. Also, can you be my regular doctor? My friend said I can choose one.
I'd be happy to. I'll be your primary care doctor, and the front desk will add it to your file.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you're not better in a week, come back. Let's set up a follow-up next Thursday just in case.
Okay. I hope I won't need it.
Me too. And if you have trouble breathing or a very high fever, don't wait. Go to the emergency room.
I'll remember that. Thank you, Dr. Reed.
Rest well, Ken.
Hi. I just finished with Dr. Reed.
Great. How did it go?
Good. She said it's a chest cold and gave me medicine.
I'm glad. The doctor already sent your prescription to your pharmacy.
So I just go and pick it up?
Yes, it should be ready in about 30 minutes. Now let's take care of your payment.
Right. The copay. $20. Here's my card.
Thank you. All done. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Which pharmacy did the doctor use?
The one you chose on your form, close to your home.
Oh, right. Do I need anything to pick it up?
Just your ID. They already have your name and the doctor's order.
That's easy.
The doctor also wants a follow-up, right?
Yes, next Thursday, just in case.
Let me set that up. Next Thursday, the 23rd at 3 o'clock, same time as today.
Perfect. Thursday again, same time. Easy to remember.
Here's your appointment card. And one thing about the follow-up.
Yes?
If you feel better and don't need it, please call at least a day before to cancel.
A day before. Why is that?
It lets another patient use that time. If you don't call, there may be a small no-show fee.
Oh, I see. And can I change the day if I need to?
Of course. Just call and we'll find a new time for you.
That's good to know. Will you remind me before the day?
Yes, we send a text message the day before your appointment.
Oh, nice. Then I won't forget.
Right, but it's still good to put it in your own calendar.
Got it. I'll be sure to call if anything changes.
Thank you. Feel better soon, Ken.
Thanks for everything. Home at last. What a day.
Was it hard?
A little, but everyone was kind and they spoke slowly.
That's good to hear. So, how do you feel about the doctor?
Really good. Dr. Reed was kind. She's my primary care doctor now.
That's wonderful. Did you pick up your medicine?
Yes, we stopped at the pharmacy on the way home. It was already ready.
See? The doctor sent it online, so it was fast.
So easy. I take it with food, morning and night.
Good. By the way, do you know why you got so sick?
Maybe. I stayed up late every night this week, studying.
There it is. Not enough sleep makes it harder to get better. Rest is medicine too.
Lesson learned. Early to bed tonight.
Good plan. And don't forget to take your medicine every day.
I won't. I'll set a reminder on my phone for my medicine.
Smart. And what about the follow-up?
Next Thursday, the 23rd at 3. I'll put it in my calendar right now.
Perfect. If you feel better, just call a day before and cancel.
Right. The clinic told me the same thing. Okay, it's in my calendar.
And set a reminder so you arrive 15 minutes early.
Good idea. Just like the clinic asked.
Look at you. You called, you booked, and you saw the doctor, all in English.
I was so nervous on the phone, but the dates and times were the hard part.
You mean like Thursday at 3? You learned a lot today.
I did. Now time for warm tea and rest.
Doctor's orders. Feel better soon.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What day is the doctor's appointment? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.